Here we are back on this old car, and today I'm going to show you how to make your hubs become premium locking hubs. Got these down at the auto parts store, and I'll show you how to. So make sure you've cleaned it all out, got everything installed, and what you're going to make sure is that your wheel bearing lock nut, as well as your washer and your pin, which is on the back wheel bearing lock nut, is installed. So it's going to be behind this one. You're going to have that little washer, and then you're going to have a little tiny pin on that washer which locks up, and then you tighten this, hand tight, a little bit tighter, back off a little bit. Then you have your washer that'll go on right onto your hub, and once you do that, tighten up your wheel bearing lock nut. Okay, and then in this kit, the mile marker kit tells you to go ahead and pull them apart. Put your body assembly in, put your snap ring, then you put your lock ring in to hold the body assembly in, and then you put your cap assembly on. Well, I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick help. See if I can do this with one hand. So let's put that in here, push that in. Now what you're going to have to do once you get it in here, you're going to push this in a little bit further, so that way there's a little detent right behind here, because you're going to shove that snap ring right on there. And let me see if I can help you out. So what I'm doing is I'm slightly taking the rubber mallet and just tapping it in to get it all the way seated. There's a little lip in here, and that's where this ring is going to go on once you get it in here. Okay, it's going to get right up in there. You have to just make sure it's all the way seated in there, and once you do that, you can also make sure you seat this. I'm going to use these. Anyways, let me see if I can help out more. So this is really tough to do with one hand, but anyways, took these snap ring pliers, was able to spread it apart so it gets behind this detent. That back one does push in, and then you got this outer one that you just slowly push and lock in place. I know it's obviously not the easiest video I can do right now, but I'm trying to help you out. Then go ahead and take your cap and you line up your holes and you put it on in. Alright, hopefully this was a helpful hint on this old car.